Taylor with Agri Spray drones. On the J100, if you find that your flow rate, meaning how many gallons you're putting out, is not matching what your screen says, let's say you spray 10 acres at 2 gallons per acre, you find you only actually put out 18 gallons to 20 gallons, there's a way to fix that. And it's not that difficult. Actually, when it comes to proper ways of calibration, the J100 has the proper way of calibration compared to like round rigs and things like that. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Turn my screen recording on so you guys can see what I'm seeing. I've got my drone out there flying right now. I got to hurry because I only have about 1.7 gallons in it. You can do this on the ground or in the air, it doesn't really matter. But so you see my drone's out there flying right now. Just putting on a gallon per acre. If I go into my settings and I hit my spray settings right here, and I go to calibration, and I've got left nozzle and right nozzle. We got 2 pumps, left pump and right pump. And we got a factor, 0.5 up to 1.5. So you find out you're putting out too little, you want to multiply that, then you can multiply that. We can slide this up. If you find out you're putting out too much, then you can decrease that. Or you can type right there and you can put in 1. That's 1 basically whenever you say I want 1 gallon per minute, 1 gallon per acre, whatever, then it's going to do that in the system based on its default calibration. And if it finds that, or if you find it's not doing it correctly, then you can change that default calibration factor. There you go. Real simple. That's how you do it. You can also do it much more accurately. You actually do a catch, catch your liquid coming out of your droplets in some calibration tubes or buckets. Spray for a minute and then see how much it puts out, and then you change your factor that way. That's a way more accurate way to do this. Or you can do it like we did it just here in the field based on what you put in the drone and what it thinks to put out. All right, guys, that's it as far as calibration. If you have any questions, let us know. Thanks.